Alright, progress on the van. Here at Oblivion Graphics in Burlington. Getting my vinyl wrap redone on my hood. So you can get a little filming done on that. Yeah, just getting the vehicle all cleaned up. Going to fix some parts underneath, some rivets. And I got to change the awning brackets or they were getting pulled out, so I didn't like the way the rivets were sitting. So I'm going to change that up today, tomorrow as well. I don't think I ever showed you guys this. I got signage for the back of the van. I got them to make it here last week, actually. Put it on myself. I think it looks pretty good. A little advertising for myself. Nice. That's good, thanks, man. Appreciate it.
Yeah, no worries.
Alright, I retract my statement on the VRP stuff that I used on the molding. After one rain and a week and a half, 10 days, it's all fading, and you can see these wrinkles are back, and they're not wrinkles, but they're lines in the molding here. And yeah, it just looks streaky and crappy. So I'm gonna wash it all off, clean it with alcohol, and try something else that I ordered. Apparently it's a lot better and it lasts up to a year or 250 washes or something like that. So yeah, I'll give that a shot. Oh, another thing I did, I fixed I think I showed you, I put M3 rib nuts. Or no, I didn't show you. I put M3 rib nuts in where the rivets used to be for the awning. And yeah, I replaced those because they were very loose. So yeah, I put a double-sided tape back behind there for a little cushioning. And then tighten those M3s down with some washers in there. Got them repainted black. Yeah, much stronger, much better grip. And then you can take them off with the nuts being there. So yeah, another bonus. But anyway, cloudy, rainy day today, so I'm going to wash all the molding and get it all cleaned up. And then I'm going to have to clean it with alcohol before I use that new stuff that I'm getting. But yeah, I'm excited that it'll last that long. And obviously this stuff's no good with the amount of time it took to do all the molding on this. There's a lot of molding on the ProMaster. So yeah, here we go again. Wash it all off, and then hopefully I don't have to do it like they said for 250 washes. That would be nice. Alright, so I was talking earlier about getting some riveting done. Got that all done. Now I screwed under here. This flap was getting really loose. And I noticed that I was missing the magnet from here. So I ordered this thing off Amazon. Just used a screw and drilled out the hole. Screwed it there with some Loctite. And that was what had to be riveted up here. This was really loose, this whole bracket. There's a little metal piece on the skirt that it attaches to. So yeah, much more stable now. Having that on, that's where my propane is. So yeah, it's nice having the magnet there that the wind won't break that or blow that apart like what's happened to the other skirt on the other side where it cracked on the plastic. Oh, and another thing, finally, I got this fixed. It shows how much propane, fresh water, how much gray water. So yeah, that was like another $10, so $30 in total. I got that circuit board repaired by, just looked up circuit board repair in Burlington, and the guy did it at his own house. Tested out the whole board, said the switches were a little loose, so he soldered those back on and then replaced the computer chip that was on the board. Everything's working perfectly again, so it's nice to have my level gauges again, that's for sure. And so yeah, everything's coming together quite nicely. I like it. I almost forgot to mention about this stuff. I just got it from Amazon yesterday. I haven't put it on yet, but it's called Cerakote. What's it called? Trim Coat Restoration Kit. It's gloves and a bunch of wipes. It says to clean your molding with Dawn soap. And then I'm going to use rubbing alcohol afterwards to get all that old dressing off and so on. And let that dry good for probably 24 hours or more, and then find a nice cool day that I can start putting this on. Apparently you can't do it in direct sunlight, so I'll have to do it on the shady sides in the morning and then move to the other side when the sun comes over. So yeah, I'm excited to try this stuff out. And it says on the back, guaranteed for 200 washes or more. So yeah, I'm looking forward to trying this stuff out because it's a big job, all the molding on this car. So yeah, we'll get to that shortly. Alright guys, just hanging by the pool here. I think all the repairs and fixes and cleaning and everything's done to the van. Feeling pretty good about it, how clean the van is. Don't think it's been this clean for a long time. And everything's working properly, which is nice, the way I like it. So yeah, I'm definitely ready to get on the road again. Been a long time. Yeah, I've seen most of my friends, done my dentist appointments, doctor's appointments, all that kind of stuff. Went to a cool party with my friends in Waterdown, just a town north of here. Saw a bunch of people that I haven't seen for a while, so it was good to see all them. But I'm definitely ready to get back on the road again. I'm not used to this hanging out in a backyard for weeks at a time, so definitely going to be good to get back on the road again and back to making weekly videos again. And Uma hasn't minded. She's got a friend to play with. Her and Fiona are like sisters, basically. They play really well together. They're both pretty close to the same age. So they're definitely going to miss each other once I get on the road again. But Uma always meets lots of friends on the road. And yeah, the weather's just too warm right now to do the molding on the car, so I might wait a day or two for that. Or even start it tomorrow. It's supposed to cool off a little tomorrow, but 31 degrees the last couple of days. I don't work in those temperatures. I'm retired. So yeah, I think that's it for this week anyway. Hopefully next time I see you guys, I will be on the road. Take care, guys. Bye.